Go. I'm here with Abdul Lasoye, one of the filming crew for Target, and I'm also one of the movie crew as well. But here we're going to demonstrate how we use the tripod for our production. The tripod is an interesting object, especially this one. Has multiple features about it. So Abdul is now going to demonstrate how you would use a tripod. Abdul, would you like to say hello before?
Hello ladies and gentlemen.
Okay. So yeah. So Abdul, would you like to show us how you extend this?
Actually, in actual fact, specifically speaking, this is a lighting prop, but it offers the stability we need. So as you can see here, screws right under the camera.
Let's get that focused. Yep, it's focused.
And it offers quite a sturdy base. So typically what we'll be doing is, for instance, unfastening this using the knobs.
This is is this to extend it or?
This is to extend it, I think you're quite right.
So yeah, we did use this for our production as well, by the way.
As you can see, let's say we want it that height. Adjust again in order to fasten the grip. And as you can see, the height maintains constant. If we'd like to reduce the height, and if we'd like to restore it back to the original position, that would be that.
Yep. And this is the other tripod I was talking about. You'd have to fasten a plate onto it, have to mount it on top of the other camera, and you have to screw it from here. We prefer to use the upper tripod though, because we found it easier. This one was kind of complicated, but we still got better. On now.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm about to fasten this onto what we like to say tripod. If you just zoom into this, I can. And on the inside here, it accommodates this.
Yes.
And what you can do is just begin to screw it in there.
There we go.
Hold on.
Now show it, hold up. And this is how you would film with a tripod. Really, really good. We use this for our production and it actually did help us a lot.
Remember the truth.
Yep. Durable. Now Abdul's gonna show you how to use the camera. This is actually the exact camera we use to film our production. So, you want Abdul?
A couple quick tips. Obviously, here is our viewfinder, and depending on what shots you're trying to take, left eye closed for me. Into the camera, frame my shot, make sure it looks nice. Obviously, try your best to apply the rule of thirds. That's very significant. If need be, you can apply grid lines on the camera itself to give a bit of a guideline. And apart from that, you've got your autofocus here and manual focus.
What we learned about this is that we found autofocus the best for us, because it meant that we didn't have to constantly just do it ourselves, and that could actually get in the way of our production.
Yeah, and when you are on autofocus, should you at any point in time need to manually focus, you simply hold down the shoot button, which would be this one here. Hold it down. You'll hear something audible from the camera, and that's its lens adjusting, and you've got your autofocus shot.
Yep. So where Abdul is right now, this is obviously an example of probably a low angle shot. So where he's shooting right now, low angle, and the person over here would be, the character being filmed would be at this angle I'm at right now. Now,
what we've got here is a little mechanism to adjust our zoom and apply focus should we need to by adjusting our lenses. Just this little bit here. You can adjust until you find it suitable for your piece.
Oh. And that's just an example of, another example, sorry, of what shots we would use.